PE have understood the challenges of installing EV chargers for many businesses, and this is why we have come up with this model. Our chargers are a free revenue-creating asset for your business. You will receive a free survey, a free installation and free maintenance, and in return, you will earn a revenue share off the top of the kilowatts used through the units. PE manages and maintains all of our charging units 24/7, 365 days a year. We have a dedicated call centre that will take any of your customer queries if any of the end users or yourself as a business have any questions. We have easy onboarding. The whole process of signing up to our model is designed to be as easy and transparent as possible. There are 4 stages to this onboarding process: the contract, the pre-qualification questionnaire, the survey, and then the installation overview. The first stage is the contract. You as the host for our chargers will be sent a contract which will act as a letter of intent for the installation. The next stage is the PQQ, or the Pre-Site Qualification Questionnaire. This is a form that we like you to fill in and send back to us before we send an engineer to site to survey. This allows us to do a desktop survey and do our due diligence about your site and understand exactly what you need before we send somebody to you. The next stage is the survey, and this is where an engineer will come to site and do an electrical survey, completely understanding what you need from us in order to install our charge points. This then creates a survey document that we then create the installation overview from. The final stage is the installation overview, and this is a document that we will send you based on the survey, outlining exactly what we intend to do and how we're going to install our chargers at your site. We will both then agree to it and undertake the installation. The lead times for this process can vary based on many factors: the D&O, the location of site, how quickly we can get to you for the survey and the installation. However, we anticipate that from signing your contract to installation should take no more than 12 weeks. If for whatever reason, as a business, you wish to no longer have EVC or no longer need EVC installed at your business, you can exit at any point up to when the installation overview document is signed.